Hello children. Let's name the shapes. Can you find the shapes? Can you match the shapes? Let's have a look. Circle, circle. Let's find things that are circle shapes. Ball, a clock, rings, and a pizza. These are all circle shapes. Square, square. Let's find things that are square. Chocolate box, a gate, a window, and a cheese biscuit. These are all square shapes. Triangle, triangle. Let's find things that are triangle shape. A flag bunty, a house rooftop, half a sandwich, and a slice of pizza. These are all triangle shapes. Rectangle, rectangle. Let's find things that are rectangles. A television, an envelope, a writing pad, and a flag. These are all rectangle shape. Oval, oval. Let's find things that are oval. Eggs, lemon, a rugby ball, balloons. These are all oval shapes. Semicircle, semicircle. Rainbow, a fan, a slice of watermelon, and half a cake. These are all semicircle shape. Diamond, diamond. Kite, earrings, a street sign, a button. These are all diamond shapes. Heart, heart. A strawberry, heart-shaped chocolate, heart-shaped lollies, and a heart. These are all heart shape. Star, star. A starfish, a star-shaped biscuit, star anise spice, and American flags. These are all star shapes. Well done, everyone. Bye-bye. And remember, keep on practicing.